Frank Motors, authorized dealer of Tata Motors PV, is now open at Lightcorny, Shillong. We are here to offer you India's most safest cars and to ensure you to get the most out of owning a Tata vehicle.
Ka Mount Olive Culinary and Hospitality Management Shillong ka khot admission haki professional courses prepare. Ya ka jingtip ka ba khamnya lecture ka City Office 100 Academy ha Malki.
Ka Hubert Memorial Higher Secondary School ka badan hapo ompling mentakas ni kalaple perdaya kalama jong jing rakhedap arpu sansnem jogo niga school kabla seng haka arpu tarik jong lober sihajar kandai spark nai pupra daga seng jong ki reunion sisters visitation sisters of Don Bosco kabla seng do Archbishop Hubert di Rosario house nem sihajar kandai spark prapulai haka niga si lawan bandonlang uba pinya sings im uba de UMLA jong niga than Uba Latip Lang Kharkongor MDC, Sir Mabel Dahar, Ibadei Supervisor General, Sister Julita Lingdo Linghoy Principal, Parish Priest Kanong Thamai Parish, Father Augustine, ki Principal Bat ki Nohikai Barim, Ba SF Pingrup Ubadei Urang Ba Shnong, Bat ki Kena School Jonganiga School. Haba ai jingkren hakaniga sngi, Uba Pinya Sings e Mulong Ba ga Jingkam Jonganiga School ye Maumer, Shaka Arpusan Snem Kadei Shisha ga Jinkyu, Haka Puli Puthi Jongi Kena Puli. Bat na dua pala seng ya ganiga school, ka jing ai jing shakri jonganiga school, haka shnong gala wanra ya ka jingkat ku ka bakraw, haka imlang ka salang. Shosho ulong ba ka mu Emily ula pinpa ya ka jing sungo ka bakraw, ya ka managing committee jonganiga school, ka balala ban pinkiw ya ki kena puli, haka liang ka puli puthi, bat ki balala ban pinbet ya ka jing em ka jongki. Naga yang Emily ula pinbana baun sa ai jing rap arlak tingka shakaniga school, naga benta shisnem pura, ka jing rakhe jongki, ya ka jing dap arpusan snem jonganiga school.
To me to associate with the opening of the Silver Jubilee celebration of the school. The completion of 25 years is indeed a major milestone in the life of an educational institution. Hubert Memorial High Secondary School, since its foundation in 1998, has earned a very considerable appreciation for providing value-based education and for imparting the ideals of academic excellence, sense of discipline and high moral and ethical values, leading to the development of an integrated personalities. The motto of the school, Virtue, Knowledge and Triumphs, is reflected in its faith that education is a process of awakening individual potential to creative knowledge, inculcating in them the desire to excel in various spheres. It is extremely noteworthy that the intuition considers it to be its duty to nurture its students as sensitive people with strong values who will leverage their individual achievement to strengthen the fabric of the community, the nation, and the country. The school is known to have been discharging its duty in ample measure. I especially extend my heartiest felicitation to the management, teachers, and the students who have made the Hubert Memorial High Secondary School such a prestigious institution of learning. The Silver Jubilee celebration opening function gives an opportunity to the school to celebrate its achievements and excellence and also to showcase its students' creative talents and skills. The progress of an educational institution also upon the role it plays in instilling discipline, sense of confidence, creative talents and skills. The progress of an educational institution also upon the role it plays in instilling discipline, sense of confidence attitude of cooperation with others and commitment to the country and the people. Given the diversity of our country, its expanse multiplicity of languages, religions, and tradition, it is vital to ensure that our young minds develop a tolerant, accommodative, secular, and integrative approach. I recall that Rabindranath Tagore once said, "Man's mind is deeper than the great seas, vaster than the endless space." Dear students, it is ultimately the virtue and knowledge through which one can triumph, thus shaping one's future. I wish you all success and a great future ahead. I express my sincere gratitude to the respected principal for providing me with this opportunity to be part of this momentous occasion. My best wishes and warm greetings once again to you all on the Silver Jubilee celebration of the school. May you continue to flourish for all times to come.
Day to praise the Lord. It's a great day to praise the Lord. It's a great day to praise the Lord. Walking in the light of God. Walk, walk, walk in the light. Walk, walk, walk in the light. Walk, walk, walk in the light. Walking in the light of God. It's a great day to serve the Lord. It's a great day to serve the Lord. It's a great
Got
book, or maybe two or three. I'll add a few